From now on, the adventures will probably get more... We could start by going to Mondstadt's blacksmith.
What? Over there. Take it.
Wow!
Of course. All you need is the ore. Anywhere. You'll bring some back and I'll help you forge with no need.
He seems like a short-tempered guy. Was it something we said?
This is it, one of the deserted temples of the Four Winds. These temples have been left to waste for years now. The people of Mondstadt almost never come here. There's a chance there's a monster nest or hilitrol camp inside. Even Storm Terror has given up on its own temple. Yes. I also find it hard to accept, but Storm Terror was once one of the Four Winds.
Huh?
Wait! Did you just feel that? The wind here. Something's off. Let's go in and take a look. Be careful. The dragon's power is disturbing this area. Everyone in Mondstadt is every second we wait. You can use that console to open the door. Wow, I can see so far into the temple. weapon, Explosive Puppet Berry Bunny! Bet you can't keep up with me! Are those explosive barrels over there? Well, one shot should be able to blow them up!
Wind blade!
It's so high. Seems like there's something up there.
But how do we get across? Isn't this a pyro monument? If we hit it with a powerful pyro attack, we might trigger it.
That's more like it. Dragon's breath! Is that where the power's coming from? Phew, I'm tired. But at least this way we've helped Jean out. In the past, we were at least able to defend the city and keep it safe. This, of course, is mostly thanks to Jean. But now with Storm Terror directly attacking the city itself, the winds change, so too should our tactics. It's what Lisa likes to say. Speaking of which, the 4 winds we were discussing earlier, if you want to learn more about our history, you can ask Lisa. I'm not saying I don't know our history, it's just... I mean... A librarian is supposed to be more knowledgeable than an outrider, right?